Over the next few minutes, you will learn how to properly adjust and set your new Model 50F floor nailer to click-style flooring. One of the key ingredients to a successful installation is a properly adjusted tool. The Model 50F with adjustable flex foot allows you to dial in on the perfect adjustment for any thickness and style of flooring. Here we have two different samples of wood flooring. On the right, you see a tongue and groove profile, and on the left, you have a click. When using the Model 50F on a tongue and groove profile board, you always place the fastener on the tongue side of the board. When installing click types of wood flooring with the 50F nailer, you do the opposite, and you will drive your fastener into the groove side of the click profile. Now that we know which side of the board to fasten, let's learn how to adjust the Model 50F kit. First, loosen the adjustable flex foot by turning the adjustment lever to the left. Make sure that you can easily move the foot both up and down. If the foot will not move freely after turning the lever, you can further loosen the foot through a ratcheting action. Turn the lever to the left, pull out, and turn it back to the right. Now, release the lever and turn it to the left again. Do this as many times as is needed to loosen the tool's foot. Using a sample piece of your click flooring, firmly seat the nose of your tool against the forward lip of the groove side. Now slide the flex foot down onto the face of the flooring so that it rests flat on the surface. To lock in the adjustment, turn the adjustment lever to the right. You may then rock the tool forward, pull out on the lever, move it left, release it, and then turn it right again to fully tighten. Now that you are adjusted and tightened, you are ready to test drive a fastener. Now that your Model 50F kit is properly adjusted, let's take it for a test drive. You want to connect it to air and then load it with the proper fasteners. The Model 50F kit drives 18 gauge L-shaped cleat nails in lengths from 1 1/4 to 1 3/4 inches long. Using two sample pieces of click flooring, take your first sample piece, resting the nose firmly against the lip and the flex adjustable foot flat across the face of the flooring, drive your first fastener. Move 6 to 8 inches and drive your second. Once both fasteners are in, set the tool aside, take your second piece of sample flooring and engage the tongue side with the groove side. If both pieces of flooring sit flat, you know that the tool is properly adjusted and you are now ready to begin installing your floor.